Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make your first simple request. Before making the request, please make sure you have performed the steps presented in the previous videos. Templates are the sheets in which data are displayed. You may add as many templates as you need to better organize your data. To create a new template, click Insert Template on the ribbon. The only mandatory row to be filled is Code. On the blue sheet containing the assessments list, select the desired code. Copy the code. Go back to the template. Paste the code into a free code cell. Click Get Series Values to make the request. This will request values for the assessments in the active template spreadsheet only. Click OK on the pop-up. Then click Yes. Wait for the data to load. Note that the blue sheets created when you clicked Get Series Info must be open for the request to work. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please watch the next video to understand how to read the results.